Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the weather in Salzburg. Do you get a lot of rain in your country? Some people, when they visit Salzburg, they're actually happy that it rains a lot here. Let me know in the comments below. I would be curious about the rain or the weather in your country and whether or not you would appreciate rain when you visit Salzburg, or if you would like blue skies and warm weather. My name is Gerhard and I'm the founder of the free walking tour. Salzburg, it has 185 days of rain every year. That means half of the year it's raining. The rain in Salzburg, it's not like in a lot of other places where it rains for an hour and then it changes again. We have a term called the Salzburg String Rain. String rain is exactly what we're experiencing now. Small drops, but constantly. And this can go on for days, can go on for 2 or 3 days. And maybe you're wondering if our tours ever get cancelled. I can tell you that our tours never get cancelled when it rains, unless it's dangerous. In case it would be dangerous, we have to cancel the tour, but that didn't happen in the last 2 years, so I'm positive that that's not going to happen. I fully understand if you don't want to walk in the rain. So if you don't show up on a rainy day, I fully understand. Usually when it's raining, I estimate that about half of the group is coming. Sometimes there are more coming, and I'm happy about that as well, of course. But yeah, I fully understand if you're not coming. I prefer you not showing up in the rain and then you being unhappy about the tour because it's raining. The reason why it rains like this in Salzburg is because on one side of the city there are mountains, on the other side of the city it's completely flat. So the clouds, they get stuck before crossing the Alps. That's why Salzburg is the city with the most rain in all of Austria. Thank you very much for tuning in on that rainy day. I hope to see you in Salzburg. I hope to see you on one of my tours, and I hope you get better weather when you're here, if you prefer sunshine instead of rain. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.